Hey everyone, and welcome to your weekly golf tip with me, Corné Bloom, your new head coach here at Swartkops Country Club. So firstly, I want to get started with a few basic checks for your tips of the week. So today we're going to be working on the grip a bit, just to make sure that we all remember the basics behind a good grip. So I'm going to come a bit closer so you can see my hands, and then I'll explain it to you. Okay, so to get a good neutral, nice grip, we're looking to take the left hand, not dipping it underneath like this. I'm just going to let the club, wherever I stand naturally, just let it fall into my fingers, close the hand, and then from the top I should be able to see two knuckles. That puts me in a good neutral position right there, so the club face is nice and square. If I have too much knuckles, I can see, so like 3 knuckles, the grip becomes strong, and if I do apply pressure, it closes the club face, as you can see. If I'm too much underneath, I cannot apply much pressure and the club face will go open, which is a weak grip. Okay, so a good neutral grip, just let it fall into the fingers there, close your hand, and then you should be able to see 2 knuckles from the top. Okay, that's your tip of the week. Make sure to stay warm, and I hope to see you all at the driving range soon. Stay blessed. Cheers, everyone.